Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this round of another entries, you guys. This first one is from Sanchez, and this was her card. She had a little note in there. And you guys, she made all sorts of goodies, way more than she, oh my gosh, look how cute. Also, she's got die cuts in her, okay, well, let me go over something first. Okay, let's go over this one. She's got the cute little Alina Craft, or that may be KS Adams store. Little bag topper, love this bow, that chunky glitter, and then look you guys, she has like a scalloped circle, she's got the twine behind it, and then a little paper rosette on top of it, and then look at this. How did you get that to cut out with like a regular stitched heart? So cute. I love this paper. It's from Hobby Lobby. And then this one where she's got a little miniature heart. These little resin pieces are also from Hobby Lobby. So cute. She even decorated like the background side of the bag. Super cute, and I love the colors. Thank you, girly. And then we'll do this one right here. She's got the little topper, the trim at the top, this little flower. Yes, I've made flowers like this as well. She's got a little crepe paper rosette with the scallop. She's got the little eyelash trim peeping through, and a little ephemera piece with that tiny little flower. Super cute. Okay, now I can open these guys. These little Easter rosettes, and look how fun this color is. It's almost like a lime green, that stitched bunny. Oh, love that paper. Oh my gosh, look at this one with a little foo-foo tail. And then this one right here with a gorgeous little like center bling. Gorgeous, gorgeous, perfect for Easter. And then look at the die cuts. How cute. I haven't seen anything like this. Look at it. It's the little peep bunnies, and it's like in that super chunky glitter paper that it looks just like a real peep. And then look at the little banners, you guys. It's got the stitched little bunny, the little carrots, these little pieces, and I can pop those pieces out like this, like so. Look at you guys. And then she cut it out in like a pastel pink color as well. You can see more detail on this one. Carrot, rabbit, carrot, rabbit. How cute. Thank you so much, girly. Love, love, love. Haven't seen anything like that. Okay, and then this. Oh, girl. Okay, so she sent me some goodie bags because I love, oh, look how cute. Little Hello Kitty gold bags, you guys. And they're like the self-sealing bags too. And then look at these pink ones with the Hello Kitty. They're in like a bigger size. Thank you so much for sharing with me. I absolutely love goodie bags. And then look at this. It's like a little jar, but you can see inside like the bag once you stick something in there. How cute is that? And then, oh, look at these. These are like fancy like texture. I don't even know what material this is. Almost like a, I don't know. Look how cool. It's like scallops, got the little handle, the little heart punch out, polka dot pink. Oh my gosh, and then look at this. Look at the little Hello Kitty. And it's like a purple heart, and again with the topper like that. So cute. And then we got some polka dot and some blue of the glassine style bags. So cute. And thank you for sharing with me. It's going straight into my stash once I can reach my stash. Then we have this little embellishment right here. We got the topper, cute little bow at the top. She's got the crepe paper, the scallop, the two different trims popping out. Love that little coffee cup. So cute in the colors. Pink and mint, gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Oh, she sent like all sorts of die cuts, you guys. Oh my gosh, girl. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that bow. Love, love, love. Look how cute. Look at this little like purse die, you guys. These beautiful. And then she even put the blings in the center for these for me already. So cute. Layer these pieces. Look at this one. Look how cute. And then she's cut out the bows. All different colors. Those match perfect with the little Easter embellishments. Oh, another little bow. Cute little gold purses. And she's got this like doily style flower one cut out in gorgeous gold. Cute little bag toppers already cut out in all different styles and colors. Pastel goodness. Thank you, thank you. And then you guys, it did not stop there. Let me put these. Oh my gosh. Look at at these eggs. She's like paper pieced them together already, like multiple pieces, like little pieces too. Thank you, girlie, and those match perfect with the Easter. Oh my gosh, look at these little glitter cupcakes, you guys, and she's already like did it for me. Yes, cute little butterflies and gorgeous glitter blue. Oh my god, look at these bunnies, you guys. They are just so bright and colorful in real life. I don't know if it's going to capture that on camera. Butterflies and bunny. Look at this one. So cute. And then these guys, they're bows. Oh, here's some more. Girl, were you just like hearing me when I said I didn't have enough like Easter stuff? Except for I don't know if I'm going to even have time this Easter to craft because, you know, I got no craft room. Look at the cute little bunnies. Oh my gosh, all the good colors, you guys. So good. Girl, you cut out so many and in the good expensive paper. So thank you so much for playing, girlie. This one is from Veronica. She is V's Crafty Corner here on YouTube, and you guys, look what she's done. Look at her little die cuts. She like did the topper, this cute little paper rosette, the little ice cream and cupcake. She even embossed "You're the Sweetest." Let's dig right into this. That's so cute. Look how cute. She stamped it, handmade with love. And look at this. Yummy, yummy. Totally just reads it like that. Cute little cupcake. Oh, look at this ice cream. You know what? I think I bought this die. Stay Cool. But I haven't used it yet. It says enjoy. Super cute. Look at this glitter. I'm loving the colors. Look at this ice cream. And what cardstock is this? I feel like multiple people have used this super thick, like a matte gold. I love it. Look at the cute little ice cream. Again, Stay Cool. Love, love, love. So many goodies, and I feel like these go perfect with the Maggie Holmes Carousel collection as well. So thank you, thank you. She's got the little bag topper right here, little sequins on the corner, a double bow. Look at these little envelope. She's got like crepe paper tucked in right there. Cute little cupcake. It says enjoy. Love this paper. Then she's got a little page flag with the fishtail at the bottom. It says enjoy with the little cupcake, a little macaroon paper in the background. She's got her little shaker bits right here, you guys. Look at that. Shaking around in there. She's got the crepe paper and then the regular paper flower rosette. Not flower rosette. Paper rosette. Cute little flagging going on right here. Cupcake, sequins cluster. So cute, girly. I love these. Thank you so much for playing. This next one is from Barbara Sikorski. I hope I'm not pronouncing that last name. This is her first entry ever. So I feel like a lot of people, this was their first challenge they've ever done. And I feel so honored. Like, you guys seriously have blown my mind. And I'm so happy that you stepped out of your comfort zone and join challenges. I think that's fun. Okay, so she had this little Maggie Holmes clip right here on this little paper goodie bag. Let's open it up to see what's in here. Oh, okay, so these are her die cuts. Jump right on in. So she's got these beautiful butterflies cut out in gold. She's got these pink little like flourishes, and they have tiny little like a different color pink polka dot on top of them. So cute. Some more gold butterflies, and then she has a smaller version. They keep getting smaller and smaller. So cute. Yes, girly, thank you so much. And then she sent an extra little goodie. Look at these embellishments. It's like looks like rubber. These doodle bug rubber pieces. They say sweet, pink, and then the love, loopy love. Super cute. Thank you, girly. Then we've got her embellishments. Let's open these up. She did Maggie Holmes Bloom. Okay, let's do this embellishment right here. It says her heart was a secret garden. She's layered her pieces of paper, kind of like how I did the scrap tutorial. Little die cut right here, little puffy heart, super cute. And she's got her little crepe paper rosette right here. Lots of layering going on. Is this a chipboard piece? It's like thick. It feels like chipboard. And it says beautiful right here. And then she's like folded, tri-folded this like little piece of a doily in the very corner. All on this Maggie Holmes Goodness paper. Bloom. So pretty. Thank you, girly, for playing. And I hope you join Lots more challenges all across YouTube. This next one is from Teresa B. She is Sweet Noni B here on YouTube and on Instagram. Again, I will link everybody's information down below. This is her entry. Look how cute. Tissue paper. Look at her little embellies, you guys. And she said a goodie. Okay, so she's got this little ephemera piece clipped on right here with a little paper clip so I could reuse it. Gorgeous, like mint. What paper is that? It's like almost like a shimmery color. Beautiful. Little die cut right here with the stitched border, a little flagging going on, and she's got little peeps of eyelash trim peeping out. Then this one right here says hello on the scallop, little flourish peeping in the background, again with the eyelash trim. Very pretty. And I love, love, love that paper. And she sent a little extra goodie. How cute these little, I haven't seen these from Hobby Lobby. These must be new this year. Cute little butterfly like style rosettes. How cute and fun is that? Perfect for embellishing. Thank you, girly. Okay, that was her card. And then, let's see what's in here. Cute little Hobby Lobby bag. These are die cuts. Gold die cuts. Oh my gosh, look at that little heart. Look at this little dainty heart border, you guys. So, so cute. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this peacock. This is so Maggie Holmes Flourish, you guys. Screams that, and I could totally use it for that. Oh, look at this. It's like a little heart cut out of like a, almost like a label style. So cute. This one says hello in a really pretty font. Again, a cute little banner. She's got the little flourish like she had in her embellishment. Cute little banner again. Hello, hello. Cute little keys. Smile and another little flourish. Perfect, girly. And the butterfly clip. Thank you so much for playing. That'll wrap it up for this round of entries. And on to the next one. Bye, guys.